Good morning, dear student. Now we will discuss about the energy conservation plan. This is the lecture 2. I will start our discussion about energy conservation plan. We have to discuss about the how many area where we are using energy conservation plan. If we are talking about energy conservation plan contain four area of action where we are applying energy conservation plan. First is the institutional. First is institutionalizing individual energy saving plan. Individual energy saving plan, that means if we are talking about industry, institutions and government organization, there are a lot of people are working there. It is the primary responsibility to every employee to conserve energy where used. And in a point one, I will discuss about the individual responsibility about energy conservation plan. After that, I will discuss about the institutionalizing supervisor energy saving behavior. That means कि we selected one supervisor for every organization whose responsibility is to check anywhere institutions, organization, government organization, industry, if energy is wastage and how think about how to reduce the energy usage. The energy is used only for productive purposes, and in this point I will discuss in detail in next slide. And after that, I will discuss about the implementing an energy idea contest. In the third point, in a planning, we have to organize many energy idea contest where we motivate to everyone how and give the knowledge about how to save the energy. And finally, I will discuss about the green awareness. If we are talking about green IT awareness, the IT means there are a lot of software company in India where a large number of employees are working there. They are using monitor, CPU, etc. And through IT awareness program, we educate to those employee how to save the electricity, and we motivate to computer manufacturer that energy saving plan is considered during manufacturing of the computer, laptop, etc. These are the green IT awareness. And now I will move to in the first point, individual energy saving behavior. Individual energy saving behavior having a lot of point which I discussed here. First is use task light. Use task light. If possible, turn off overhead light when not needed. If we are talking about any room has overhead light which not required. The sufficient light is available there. they are from other LED lights, and there is a need to turn off the overhead light if the light is sufficient or level, and identify the light switches for the overhead light that are not needed due to sufficient task light. If we have already sufficient task light, then there is no need to switch on the overhead light. We must switch off the overhead light, and after that power down computer upon departure. If we uh, departure from our office, then we must shut down the computer for the saving of the power. If you if we you if we plan to access your computer remotely, it may be left power on. If you leave your desk for more than 1 hour, turn off your monitor. If we are talking about computer's monitor, if we leave our office from for 1 hour, we need to shut down our monitor. When possible, remote individual printer are printers and huge communal printers. If we are talking about offices have two type of printer. One printer used for individual and other is used for common. We always used to prefer common printer in a place of individual printer for saving of the power. And after that, we move to next slide. Here, power save paper. Here we will discuss about the how to save the papers, because we need to save the paper required wood. Wood is taken from forest, where we are taking resources from the nature, which is which is bad effect on our environment. That's why we need to save paper. Photocopy only what you need. If anything required required, then we must take printout. Otherwise, avoid that one. Always use second side of paper. We can use second side of paper also for saving of paper by printing on a both side or using the blank side or scrap paper. These are the method by which we are saving the paper. Now we will discuss next point. Institutionalizing supervisor energy saving behavior. We allot supervisor for any industry, institution, and government organization for implementation of the energy saving plan. The responsibility of supervisor will walk through subordinate workspace at least once per week to ensure free energy. Conservation policy are being followed. Every organization, institution, government organization have its own energy conservation planning that must be followed by the every employee. Conservation policy are followed include energy conservation. include energy conservation behavior and action performance plan and appraisal. That means कि if we are talking about appraisal is based on energy conservation behavior must be included in appraisal and allow staff to utilize existing policy for alternate work schedule and flexi place. Alternating work schedule and flexi place. That means we are splitting into two part. Working is splitting into two part. Some employee are coming in uh, one shift, another employee are coming in next shift, day and night shift. Due to splitting in two part, we can save the energy. And now I will discuss about the Deputy Assistant Manager Secretary will or responsibility in any organization. And now first responsibility is walk through at least one subordinate element each month to review energy. For reviewing energy saving plan, the assistant secretary must check in a month where is energy wastage and think about the method by which we can save the energy. Conservation behavior practices and that assistant secretary must check conservation behavior of employee. Yeah, conservation behavior practices of the employee. Include energy conservation behavior and action. This already I discussed about that. And now I will move to next slide. Now I will discuss about the green IT awareness. Green IT awareness, that means already I discussed about that. The employee of the software companies motivate and give the knowledge about energy conservation and the green IT awareness program having following points. First is PC and monitor feed management, power trip turn off for all electronics devices except computer, PC and monitor power management system which is installed during the manufacturing of the computer system, wireless device management system, printer and peripheral resource management system, and virtual meeting are included in IT awareness program. Thank you very much.